Hey, thanks for joining me. This is a bit of a different video. It's not a complex case or anything. It's just cataract surgery. But I'm going to be trying the Pakard 0.7 Phaco tip from MST as well as the Allegro single-use IA. The fellow who's having cataract surgery is a moderately dense cataract. I graded it at 2 to 3 NS with some cortical changes. He's going to have a restore implant. So this is the Pakard 0.7. I'm going a little conservative here because I've never used this tip before. I typically like to do a quick chop or horizontal chop, but I was going to do a little stop and chop here just to see how the tip performed. What I like about this tip, not only does it hold real well and cut real well, but the sleeve around it is almost translucent in the eye and it gives you great visibility. Tip seemed to be holding pretty well and I was comfortable with it, so I'm going to go ahead and do a cross chop. And then what you'll see is the Phaco tip does a really nice job at holding the lens material. It's got good followability. It cuts very nicely, and this is a real cataract, and it had no problem taking this cataract out. And so a very comfortable feeling Phaco tip. Really didn't change my settings at all. I do use a Centurion. It didn't change a thing. I just put the tip on and went ahead and started doing cataract surgery. And again, this is the first time I've ever tried this tip. This is the single-use Allegro IA. It's got the aspiration port is kind of on top of it, which is unique but also very nice. It really allows you to grab cortex very nicely. It aspirates into the tip nicely, and that rubber little ending there is nice for this is just pulsing the posterior capsule. It also allows you to get underneath the IOL to help remove viscoelastic behind the lens. And having that little bend at the tip of the IA is also very helpful for rotating the lens. So for my first go around, I'd have to say this is a very nice combination set, Phaco IA.